Maganda hapon. Mwadela mwana bababa. Hello everyone. Konnichiwa. It's Masunga John again, and today I'm going to make Pakbet. Pakbet is a Filipino dish with a lot of veggies, and here are the ingredients: meat, eggplant, bitter melon, okra, squash, string beans, onions, ginger and garlic, tomato, bagoong or shrimp paste, black pepper, salt, and bitchin. Now let's start cooking. First heat the oil and then the meat. Fry the meat for a few minutes. So now the meat is brown. Well, we put it aside. And then add the ginger and garlic here. Fry the ginger and garlic. And then next, the onions. Mix the meat with the onions, garlic, and ginger. And then the tomatoes. Then mix the tomato. It looks good. Then the shrimp paste, bagoong, the shrimp paste, like 3 or 4 spoons, because the veggie is a lot. Mix the shrimp paste. Then start adding the vegetables, starting with the hard ones, the squash, then mix, then okra, next eggplant, then the bitter melon. Wow, a lot of bitter melon. And mix. Then the string beans. Okay, first add a little water, just a little. I'm going to change into a big saucepan, big pot. Okay, everything goes there. Next, a little black pepper. watching. So next you're going to cover for the vegetables to get soft and wait a few minutes. Now let's check the pakbet if it's done. Okay, it looks good. Very good. Just mix the vegetable and everything will be alright. Okay. Now it's time to taste. Now it's time to taste. Ansarap. Very yummy. The shrimp paste tastes very good. The bagoong tastes so good with the vegetables. So I think it's always good with rice. So after watching this video, please subscribe, comment, like and share. It's me, Masunga John, and today I made pakbet, veggies food from the Philippines. Goodbye, paalam, kwaheri, jane.